Oh, the latest recall to tell you about this morning, the maker of Robitussin cough syrup issued a nationwide recall due to microbial contamination. You'll take a look at your screen here. You'll see the box. The company says if you have the daytime and nighttime Honey CF Max Day for adults, you should stop using it immediately.
They say the contamination is dangerous for people who are immunocompromised or medically at risk. So far, there have been no reports of adverse effects from these products.